Welcome back to the channel. As you may recall, when we were unboxing and testing the Razer Seiren Mini version 3 microphone, I talked little about what you are missing with this and what you are getting with more expensive microphones. This time we will be digging more closely into that. Now this here is the Quadcast 2S from HyperX. This is the, let's say, direct big brother for the entry microphone. There is also version available of this without the S, but only difference is that there's a difference in recording quality, and product-wise those are identical. Okay, let's unbox this and then check what the difference is. Wait.
No scissors.
Victory!
No need.
Okay. We need a bushwhacker to open this.
Manuals still about connecting the device and the Okay. Yep.
You actually looked at the manual. I'm impressed.
Microphones is not something that I'm very familiar, so I'll take a look at those at least.
Yeah, that's more of my domain. And I have to say, I have been using the Seiren Mini microphone, and I freaking love that.
It's tiny and it's very versatile to take around, and the sound quality, as speculated, it is surprisingly good.
It's amazing. I have been traveling with that to my recordings, and it's perfect for me.
Yep. So there's a little size difference.
Just a tiny.
Just a tiny, yeah. USB-A to USB-C cable. Oh, and the rest is just like that. That's
Is
it.
there a lot of plastic in the packaging?
Actually, no plastic.
Just cardboard.
Just cardboard.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Okay, so the biggest differences are actually quite visible to eye.
The size.
But like I thought when we were unboxing this one, this now has an external knob where you can control the gain of the microphone. So how much it is picking how far it's picking the noise basically.
Whereas in the little one, you have to control the gain and all with an app.
Yeah, from the Razer's app, it's actually quite good. It's simple to use. Can't complain anything about that.
Mm-hmm.
Another thing on this is that when you push it down, it will change the pickup patterns. So this one has actually 4 different pickup patterns. The Razer's microphone pickup pattern is called Super Cardio. So basically it picks up everything around you, and if changing the gain, it just kind of changes from how far it is picking up the voices, the noises. With the Quadcast, I have to check from the box. So the 4 pickup patterns are stereo. Basically, stereo is for doing vocals or instruments, so recording music or something like that.
Or perhaps a podcast with 2 people sitting on, not side by side, but again across the table or something.
Actually, there's also bi-directional face-to-face interviews.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, that's the second one. The normal is the cardiac, so for streaming or doing single podcast. And then there's the omnidirectional, which is like this one, picking up the noises from everywhere around you. And one of the things that this has, like I talked earlier about the Razer had a funny name for the stand, which I've already lost.
I have it somewhere.
That the stand should, I can't recall it correctly, but the stand should prevent noises from tipping it and turning it. And this one has actual shock mount, so this is the thing that is actually preventing any noises coming from if your table is moving or something like that. And there's a screw, so you can change positions quite easily. And of course the stand is removable. The feet is removable, so you can replace this with a boom arm basically, so that will enable you to use more freely, change where it is. And it's something that I've noticed that I am doing with this, because the normal stand on the table, when typing, it's easily recording the key noises when you are typing. Alright, now next I will be connecting this to the PC and testing the software and the sound quality and doing some comparison to the Razer, and after that you will hear my final comments on the product. Okay, now you are hearing my voice through the Quadcast microphone. Let's start with the pickup patterns. You can change them from the knob on the microphone or from the software that you can see here on the left side. Pushing it down for 3 seconds, it will change from cardiac, which you are now hearing, to omnidirectional. Now this is the omnidirectional pickup pattern. It's picking up more noises around me. Yeah, and now it's picking also Poju. Okay, now let's change the pickup pattern from the software. That can easily be done by just clicking the icon. Now this is the stereo pickup pattern, so basically this is good for recording instruments, music, something like that. And finally, this is the bidirectional pickup pattern. This is for recording and interviewing someone, so it will pick your voice and the voice of that who is on the other side of the table. That's about it for the pickup patterns. Now for the standard, let's go back to the cardiac. The mic mute is a touch button here on the top. And now you can hear me. The controlling of the RGB LEDs is done by the HyperX software. It will also control other HyperX devices if you have such. Here on my desk you can see the keyboard. This is something that we will be testing and making a video later on. Then from the software we will just click the lights, where we can do a lot of different customization. I like the basic red. I don't really need any kind of RGBs on my microphone, but for the heck of it, let's play it. Let's play with the colors for a while. I could also live with the dark one. That's highly annoying. Well, that's only cycling the colors. I think the wave is the most used pattern on any RGB things. The VU meter is the sound. Sorry about that. Now it's mirroring my desktop. I don't really see point in this. And honestly, I don't know what the video capture dot is. It must be something similar to screen mirroring, but I'm not capturing anything from my PC at the moment. I'm gonna go with the solid one. It's good. Of course, you can change the color here from the wheel. Okay, now you're hearing my voice through the Razer Seiren microphone. Okay, now you are hearing my voice through the Quadcast microphone. Okay, now let's talk about the thing that really annoys me with this one. It's the gain control. To get access to the gain control, you need to connect wired headphones directly with the 3.5mm connector to the microphone. And then pushing down the multifunction wheel once opens the output volume, so there you can select how much of your own voice you're hearing when you're recording. This is also something that is visible from the software after you connect the headphones to it. And then pressing down third time, it will open the gain control. And and you can't control the gain from the software anywhere, only from the microphone when you have connected headphones. I don't know about you, but I just feel that that's stupid. Alright, obviously there are some benefits using a microphone which has a pickup patterns that you can choose from. It's more versatile if you need to do an interview, record audio, record instruments, something like that. However, if you're just looking for a microphone for single user use or streaming or something, doing a solo podcast, the Razer Seiren Mini is really the thing you should go for. However, if you need more versatile device, then the Quadcast is something that you should go for. Thanks for watching, guys.